I would say about what the average yield the USDA says it's going to be. We thought it was much better, but it turns out that cotton really enjoys sunshine along with rain, so we had a lack of sunshine. We want it to be as bright a white a color as possible. That's always a function of weather mostly that you really can't do a lot about. So you want to be in a hurry to get it picked and not let it get dingy. The next thing is staple. You want long staple. Staple is a measure of length of the individual fibers. So we want the longest we can grow, and we do make a really long staple now. We started picking in the middle of October. "12, 13 full days. The cotton is harvested with a mechanical cotton picker. Ours are all John Deere, and they have spindles in them, and they pick the cotton, it's doffed off and get into a suction to the top, and it's rolled up. We're right at 70 sets of sheets that come from one bale of cotton.